G'day traders, Mindset Reset. Beautiful weekend here in sunny Canada. Today we're talking about pump and dumps. So one of the questions I received yesterday regarding 3-session setups, 3-day setups, and non-farm payrolls was I still don't understand how this is a pump and dump or a dump and pump. Well, every trade setup, when it boils down to the actual entry model setup, is always going to be a dump and a pump or a pump and a dump. We can get a 3-day dump and pump, as we saw in gold. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, they dump it down. Thursday, the big drop, 300 pip drop, consolidation parabolic setup, vertical stop hunt on payrolls for a day 3 parabolic reversal setup, but also a first hour dump into the second hour pump. 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., taking out the high of the day, high of the week, and reversing, and then consolidating into the close. So whether it's a session on day 3 on oil, day 3 parabolic move after a dump and pump, first hour consolidates, second hour dumps, New York Open pumps, taking out the high of the week for a parabolic reversal. Every setup is a pump and a dump or a dump and a pump, whether it's over 3 days and 3 sessions, 3 sessions for a session trade, or 3 hours for a session trade. A 3-hour dump for the 3rd or 4th hour pump. Sometimes it will coincide with news, major red news, as we saw on payrolls yesterday. Other times it may just be an innocuous New York, Asia, London, or Asia, London, New York trade on day 2, or on a day 3 reversal. Could be day 1, day 2, day 3 on a Wednesday, high of week dump, but it may only dump down for that session and resume on our new day 2, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, for a pump back up to the high of the week. So dump and a pump, pump and a dump. That is the only 2 types of trades there. When everything breaks down, no matter what setup it is, it will either culminate in a dump pump, or a pump and a pump and a dump. It could be pump, first red day, inside day, dump, or we could see a dump day, first green day, and a pump for a 3-day reversal. And that can coincide with a New York, Asia, London, an Asia, London, New York for the day 3 reversal or trend trade. Pump and a dump, dump and a pump. So study your templates, understand what a best trade setup is. Know that at the end, if the setup is there, it will culminate in either the dump and the pump or the pump and the dump. And if you're not sure, then you either don't have a best trade candidate, or it is not set up to do that. If it doesn't take out the high and it goes vertical, as we saw in oil, they dumped it down. They'd already triggered the high of the day, higher high, and then the dump prior to the session open. So remember what I said before. If before a session it dumps, think pump. If it pumps before the session begins, think dump. Pump and dumps, dump and pumps. Have a great weekend, traders. Beautiful sunny day. Getting some rays and a beautiful swim this perfect weekend. So have a great weekend, traders, and may the markets go with you.